5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Plus 5 seconds.
Liftoff normal.
Chandrayaan 3 is India's third lunar mission. It was launched on July 14, 2023 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh in India. The Chandrayaan 3 mission is a follow-on to the Chandrayaan 2 mission, which attempted to land a lander and rover on the moon in 2019. However, the lander crashed during the final descent and the rover was not deployed. But what are the scientific objectives of the Chandrayaan 3 mission? While there are multiple, like to study the lunar south pole region, which is thought to contain water ice, learn about lunar surface composition and geology, study the lunar atmosphere and environment, and test new technologies for future lunar mission. The Chandrayaan 3 mission is a significant step forward for India's space program. It will help India to become a leading player in the global space exploration community. One question might stuck in your mind that why Chandrayaan 3 took over 40 days to reach the moon, when NASA's Apollo 11 took only 4 days? Because Chandrayaan 3 it employs a slower, more gradual trajectory than the direct translunar injection used by the Apollo mission. The direct translunar injection is a high-speed trajectory that requires a large amount of fuel with big budgets. This is because the spacecraft has to accelerate to a speed of over 24,000 miles per hour in order to escape Earth's gravity and reach the moon. This can put a strain on the spacecraft system and increase the risk of failure. Chandrayaan 3 on the other hand uses a slower, more gradual trajectory that requires less fuel. The spacecraft first orbits Earth several times before being injected into a lunar trajectory. This allows the spacecraft to gradually build up speed and reduces the risk of failure. The downside of using a slower trajectory is that it takes longer to reach the moon. However, the India Space Research Organization ISRO believes that the slower trajectory is safer and more reliable. The South Pole is relatively unexplored region of the moon and is thought to be rich in water ice. Yes, you heard it right, water ice. In addition to the slower trajectory, Chandrayaan 3 also uses a smaller rocket than the Saturn V rocket that was used by the Apollo mission. So despite the longer travel time, Chandrayaan 3 is a major milestone for India's space program. ISRO published this picture as viewed by Chandrayaan 3 during lunar orbit insertion. The moon as seen by lander imager camera 1 on August 17. Also ISRO published this video on August 20. This is moon as seen by lander image camera 4. And finally, Chandrayaan 3 successfully soft landed on the moon on August 23rd, 6:04 p.m. Indian Standard Time. This successful landing of Chandrayaan 3 is a major achievement. For India's space program and a significant step forward in the country's exploration of space. It also makes India the fourth country to successfully land a spacecraft on the moon, after the Russia, United States and China. and India becomes the first country to soft land it on lunar south pole.